Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to use the vector rotate node as shown here in this tutorial. So let's get started. Shift A, I'm gonna be adding the monkey like this. Go over here, hit the new button, then select those two nodes, then hit the period key. Grab it over there, just I'm gonna be adding vector rotate node. Grab it over there. Shift I'm gonna be adding set position node. Like this, grab it over here. Connect the vector to the position. We need to add another node, which is the position node, in order to control the position on different axes. Connect it to vector like this. And as you can see here in this node, we should set the type to axis angle over there. Then we have the angle, and when you try to change the angle, it's gonna be rotating on the axis, on the Z axis as shown in our tutorial. For example, because this is the center is over there at the intersection of the three axes. Let's change it, for example, to this area, and let's see the rotation. And you can see the rotation is done around this point over there. You can change it also to 1 to 1 to 1 like this, and you can change the angle of rotation. And the rotation is done around that area, around that coordinates 1 1 1, because it's the center. And that's it for this node. You can play around and change the axis, y axis, play around with different angles. For example, the Z axis like this, and you can change it also to yellow. You can change also the angles to whatever you want, and that's it. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.